Today I'll show you how to use Jira Timeline. Jira Timeline helps you plan work visually by showing issues, epics, tasks, and dates on a schedule. It is useful for tracking project progress, managing deadlines, and seeing how different pieces of work fit together over time. First, open Jira and log into your account. Now go to the project where you want to use the timeline. From the project menu, look for Timeline. Click Timeline to open the timeline view. Here, you will see project issues displayed across a calendar-style layout. Items may appear as bars, showing when work starts and when it is expected to finish. If your timeline looks empty, check whether your issues have start dates, due dates, or target dates added. To add an item to the timeline, create an issue such as an epic, task, story, or bug. Open the issue and add the correct date fields. For example, set the start date and due date if those fields are available in your project. Once the dates are added, the issue should appear on the timeline. You can drag items on the timeline to adjust their schedule. You can also expand or collapse epics to see the work inside them. If you want to focus on specific work, use filters. You can filter by assignee, status, issue type, or other project fields. This makes it easier to see only the items that matter to your planning. Use the timeline to check whether deadlines overlap, work is delayed, or tasks need to be reassigned. You can also use it during team planning meetings to review upcoming work and project milestones. After updating the timeline, open individual issues to confirm the details are correct. And that's it. You now know how to use Jira Timeline. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.